Hey friends, welcome back to Share Tech. I'm Rahul, and today we are diving into the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification, your gateway into the world of cloud computing and Microsoft Azure. Now, tell me honestly in the comments, have you ever wondered what exactly is the cloud, or felt lost when someone mentioned Azure or AWS? Don't worry, we are going to break it all down together from the absolute basics. So, why AZ-900? Well, imagine you want to enter the tech industry or understand cloud computing, but you don't have a tech background, or maybe you are switching careers, managing cloud related projects, or just curious. AZ-900 is made for you. No IT experience, no problem. Want a strong foundation before diving deeper into Azure? Perfect. Need to talk tech with clients, vendors, or your team? This will help. Let me know which one are you. Drop a comment with your goal for learning Azure. Alright, let's talk about the cloud, but in simple terms. Instead of buying, maintaining your own computer servers, imagine renting computing power from Microsoft. You only pay for what you use, and you can scale up or scale down anytime. No hardware stress, no setup, no maintenance. Here is the question. Have you ever used Google Drive or Netflix? Then congratulations. You have used the cloud. This platform runs on cloud infrastructure behind the scenes. The cloud is about speed, flexibility, and cost efficiency. It also ensures high availability, meaning your services rarely go down because Microsoft has data centers all across the world. What do you think? Is Microsoft 365 an example of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service? Let's take a look at what is it 900 covers. And trust me, it's not too technical. It's like getting the bird's eye view of everything Azure offers. The first one is core cloud concepts. What is cloud computing and why is it better than traditional setups? Delivery models like public, private, and hybrid, and different service models like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Think of infrastructure as a service like renting an empty apartment. You manage most of the things. Platform as a service like furnished apartment, less work for you. And software as a service like staying in a hotel, everything is managed for you. Cool, right? The second one is core Azure services. Get familiar with building blocks of Azure like compute, VMs, containers, storage, blob disk file, networking like VNets, load balancers, Azure regions, availability zones. Which services are you most curious about? Virtual machines, storage, or networking? Type your answer below to the comments. Explore real life tools like AI, machine learning, IoT services, plus interfaces like the Azure portals, CLI, Cloud Shells inside the Azure Solutions and Tools section. We'll do hands-on demos of these in upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe. One of the biggest questions in the cloud world is my data safe? So security, identity, and governance is the most important. Azure offers Azure Active Directory Identity Management, RBAC, role-based access control, controls who can do what, Key Vault, security centers, and compliance policies. And lastly, pricing and support. Don't worry, Azure won't surprise you with giant bills if you know how to manage it. Use the DCO calculator and pricing calculator, explore Azure cost management tools, learn more about support plans, SLAs, and more. We'll do a mini workshop on cost calculations, exam details. All right. So here are some quick facts about the AZ-900 exam cost. It's around $99 USD. That is about 4,800 rupees. question, you will get somewhere between 40 to 60 questions. Time. The time is like 60 minutes. Passing score is like 700 out of 1000. The language is available in English, Japanese, Chinese, and many more. These questions types are mostly multiple choice and drag and drop, so nothing too scary, especially if you are prepared well. So, to wrap this up, whether you are starting a career in cloud or just want to understand how Azure fits into your world, AZ-900 is the best place to begin. It's beginner friendly, doesn't need a tech background, and open the door to more advanced Azure certification like AZ-104 for administration or AZ-204 for development. And the best part, if you just spend 30 to 40 minutes a day, you can be like ready for the exam in 3 to 4 weeks. To get started with the AZ-900, keep following me, subscribe to my channel Share Tech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. In the next video, we are diving into week 1 cloud core concepts with real world examples and simple visuals. Until then, happy learning and good luck on your AZ-900 learning journey. Thank you.